These are some of the reasons why I think Canon is the best entry level camera brand for beginners. In this video, I'll talk about why I trust Canon as the beginner friendly camera. Back then when I was starting out street photography, I bought Canon 250D, not knowing that was the best decision I took. The first reason why a beginner should choose Canon over other brands: Canon has plenty of available varieties for entry cameras. Just to mention 1100D, 1200D, 1300D, 2000D and the 250D. These cameras relatively come out at cheaper prices of between $200 to $800. But as for me, one advice I'll give: for any beginner photographer, the best camera you can purchase is the 250D. Canon cameras offer greater color science. That means that if you need to deliver instant photos to your clients, let's take for example street photographer, the colors from these Canon cameras appear real as they are observed by the human eye. Canon cameras have the best autofocus system, particularly if you purchase the newer RF series cameras. I've watched some of the camera pundits and they all agree that Canon has better autofocus system than other brands, which include Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, Lumix and many more. Most photographers use Canon cameras. This means if you purchase one, you can easily acquire lenses and other accessories, particularly the used ones that are slightly cheaper than the new ones. Let's talk about the newer R series line. Canon has decided that it will gradually stop producing EFS and EFM mount lenses and focus on the new RF mount cameras. Some of the entry Canon cameras include the R100 and the R50, R10 and probably the RPs and the R cameras. Instead of acquiring the older DSLR beginner cameras, photographers can invest in cameras in this R series camera for future longevity. Thank you. See you in the next video.